Okay, so today I'm going to make a beat from scratch and you're going to watch me. Or you're going to turn it off. But here's all my instruments here. We're using LMMS in case you didn't read the description or you're new to this or whatever. Here's all the samples. But this is the standard drum kit that I personally prefer. This is what I use. Honestly, I don't even use the sidechain bass, so I'm just going to remove that. Because I already know I'm not going to use it. I'm probably not going to use that perk, but I'll leave it there. I leave the hi-hat already set up because I figure 9 times out of 10 I'm probably going to at least have that. So it just saves me a few seconds. I have this set up as default, so I just go up to File. You can't see the drop down when I do it, but go up to File and then it just right around here. It'll say save as default template, and then you can just make your custom kit, and every time you open it it'll just pop up. So we're going to go ahead and just add a snare on the 2 and the 4 because, well, you know, that's where the snare goes. And if you don't understand what 2 and the 4 means, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the count of the beat. The snare lands on the 2 and the 4. And again, you can't see the drop down, but what I'm doing is hitting remove steps right now to show you what LMMS defaults as this. You see it's 4 blocks of 4, that's 16. I add 3 steps. Right click and then just hit add steps 3 times. And that's what gives you the 4 blocks of 16 that you see right there. So we've got simple. Oh, and you may notice that the BPM is set to 74. That's just kind of an arbitrary number, but you call it that, right? So now we're going to make a fairly typical trap style drum beat. So I'm going to put a perk right here. You'll see why in just a second. And then I'm going to add 2 right here. Just do this real quick like. I'm not really trying to make anything mind-blowing here. I'm just going to do something real quick to just show you how to do it. So there's it'll make sense in a second. Hang on. Now we're going to add our kick drum. And I already know where to put them because I've just done this a lot. So bear with me for a second while I do this. Oh, wait, that's in the wrong spot. Oh. Yeah, I've just done this a lot, so I'm trying to be thorough about it, but I'm also trying to be quick because I know you don't have all day to sit there and watch YouTube videos. But if you do, good on you. I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you. So let's now that I got the kick drum filled in, let's listen to it. Alright, you get it? Yeah, so let's open up the hi-hat and the piano roll. Just right click and hit piano roll. Now what I'm going to do to double these real quick, go over here to this little select tool and then just drag. It didn't work that time. And then just drag over, highlight everything. Then you're going to hit copy and paste. Then go over here to your draw mode and then just grab it and slide it over. Now you got all them hi-hats. And you can, if you want to, you can go up to quantize right here. Again, here's the drop down that you can't see. Sorry, it's screen capture's fault, not mine. You can put it, let's do 32. And just fill in some of these little gaps right here if you want to, and it'll. Yeah, let's do that. Why not? I don't really do that too much anymore. Do the little Memphis style or Southern trap style hi-hat rolls. I don't usually do that a lot anymore. I keep it pretty standard, but you know, do what you want to. Okay, now there's your drums. And from here, you fill out your instruments however you want to. Let's put some 808. I'm going to open up the piano roll, and what you can do is use your keyboard to play the notes if you want to. Doesn't really matter. I tend to stick with G because that is that's well within my vocal range. So let's just do a simple 808 pattern real quick. Let me turn the metronome on up here. And this part can get a little tricky without a MIDI, but just give it a second. You'll get it. Oh. Okay, we're just going to do that. And as you can see, it's not quite lined up, because that's, yeah, the little weirdness I was talking about when you do it with a keyboard and not an actual MIDI controller. So we're going to take it and slide it over. And probably have to fix it because it looks kind of screwy, doesn't it? Slide that over. Slide that over. Yeah, we're going to slide these. Yep. Yeah, it's all weird because I'm like talking to you and trying to get all this done. So yeah, it should really be right there. Alright, I'm almost done, you guys. Hang on. So usually I don't even do the piano roll quite like this because, as you can see, it can be a little tedious and whatever. But yeah, let's turn that annoying metronome off. And now you're just going to hear. Probably can't even hear the 808, can you? Alright, just one quick thing to bring this 808 out, and I'll wrap up this video because I don't want to bring these things over 10 minutes. So we're going to pull up our little sample, as you can see that I just did right there, and then just hit add effect down there at the bottom, and then it brings up this nice little list. And what I'm going to do is go down here to tube amp plus tone stack. Hopefully you see this little pop-up of all the effects. So we're going to take this, move it up past the compressor, and now listen to that good old 808. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go and turn that drive up some more, because why not? Back off a little of that treble so you don't get so much of that click. Hopefully you heard all that, because this microphone can be a little weird, but yeah, drive all the way up, treble all the way down, so you can not have quite so much of that look when it hits every time. But now that I know you can hear the 808, let's listen to this very simple beat that I've added distortion to the 808 on. It's just 808 drums, a little bit of basic percussion. How to make a trap beat 101. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. I'll go a little more in depth in other videos, but again, LMMS, Linux Multimedia Studio, give it a chance. It's a nice little program. Let me know what you thought about this video, anything that I could add or subtract from future videos. Like, subscribe, tell a friend, stream Ven Perp music everywhere, all that good stuff. Y'all have a great day.